Hey my beautiful people, so today we are going to be doing a dark look. Like, I don't know what it is, but I've been dreaming about a dark smoky blue with like glitter. I'm not sure if it's like a silver glitter moment. I've just had it in my mind to do this look, so that's what we're going to be doing today, darling. I've done my base. First of all, sweetie, we're going to be using palettes that we love or from brands that we love, because we're not about to do them disasters on a new palette. Not when I've been dreaming about this. So I'm going to do the eyebrows because they're a bit washed out because I've done my base first, and then I'm going to go and put some pewtery base, bitch, because that's what we use around here, and then we're going to come back with this video. Now that's done, I'm going to be using a big fluffy brush. This is the M441 brush, and we're going to dip into the Sunset Horizons palette by Beauty Bay, and this is what she's giving. I'm going to dip into Thunder from the palette. The blue is a dark royal blue, and I can't wait to get it on my eyelids, so here we go. So I'm gonna stamp that on. Already it's giving, so I'm gonna stamp that on all over the eyelid, just like that. Don't worry if it looks crazy right now, because we're only stamping on the product. We ain't done no blending whatsoever. We're going to get into the blending after a little while. I'm going to do the other eye and then I'll be back. Now that that's done, I am going to go into Deep. Let me zoom you in so that you can see it. This is what she's looking like. Deep is a very cute blue, and I'm going to use this to basically blend out the dark blue. This is what it should be looking like. I have blended it out. You should get that really nice ombre effect. Let me zoom in. So it should look something like this. And I'm just going to keep on blending so that obviously we get the ombre and everything that we need. Now that's done and blended, I am going to go in with the Cerazar pigment. This is the silver one from the one that I used before. I'm going to mix it with a little bit of setting spray, and we're just going to do we're just going to do a glitter cut crease moment, sweetie. I need this glitter on my eyelid. This is what she's looking like. Absolutely beautiful and iridescent. Sorry, my hands are completely dirty with makeup and everything else. You know how it goes, girlies. So this is the Jaclyn Hill H41 brush. Oh, if you don't know about these pigments from Cerazar, you are missing out completely, sweetie. Are you seeing that? This pigment is beautiful. And this is what she's given, sweetie. I'm now gonna go and do the other eye. I'm already in love. I'm already in love. We're gonna do gems. We're gonna finish his face. We're gonna beat it down. And this is exactly what I needed. As I said, I've been dreaming about this look and I have no idea why, but yeah, now that's done, I'm gonna go back into Thunder, and we have just been smoking it out on the outer V just to make sure that cut crease, that pigment from Cerazar and the eyeshadow are blended in seamlessly. And we're gonna do both eyes and then we're gonna get into something fun.